Welcome to my video on affiliate marketing for beginners, where I'm going to show you the exact 3 steps that every affiliate marketer must take in order to grow revenue consistently over time. The most common problem that we see is that while many people want to build income online, they're just not sure where to start. And so what we're going to do is show you the roadmap that gives you the step-by-step process that you need to take and every other small business needs to take in order to be successful. I just want you to know that you're in the right place. If you're looking to build a successful online business, but you're just not sure where to start, I'm going to give you the exact steps through what we call the Small Business Revenue Roadmap, and it's perfectly designed for people trying to start out as an affiliate marketer, or maybe you've been doing it a while but just haven't had success. We're going to help you get unstuck and move on and start building a successful business. So let's go. I'm going to take you through this pretty quickly, and then I'm also going to show you in a moment how you can download the cheat sheets or the one-pagers for each step in the roadmap. The goal here is to show you the exact 3 steps that thousands of motivated small businesses, particularly affiliate marketers, are using to grow revenue on a consistent, regular basis without wasting their marketing dollars or being overwhelmed and confused. It's actually 3 phases with 3 steps in each phase. The first being the plan. And that's where we build a solid foundation to start with, one where we know exactly who the customer is. And we know what their single biggest problem that you're going to solve for them. What is the message that you're going to communicate through all of your correspondence? And then how is your product offer structured in such a way that it makes the customer journey very clear in how they go from being a prospect to an actual paying customer. The first step is customer clarity, where you gain laser sharp focus on who your perfect customer is so you don't have to waste money targeting the wrong people. The second step is to develop a perfect message that solves your ideal customer's biggest problem to use in every element of your marketing and your advertising. The third and final step of the plan is to develop a clearly defined ideal product offer and a step-by-step framework to grow your business without confusion or complexity. Okay, the second phase is to optimize. And optimizing the customer journey, or what we call the marketing funnel, to fit your business model and attract, engage, and ultimately convert customers, clients, or patients, depending on the type of business you have. The first step of this phase, in basically the 4th step overall, is attract. And that's to get the ideal lead magnets in front of your target audience in all of the right places to generate 2 to 10 times more customers as a result. The next step is engage. This is where we quickly earn trust and engage potential customers to turn cold prospects into warm leads. The last step of this optimize phase is convert. And this is where we convert potential customers into paying customers without the use of any kind of gimmicks or high pressure sales tactics. The third and final phase is scale. Scaling your business from a slot machine to an ATM so you get consistent results using 3 very specific and proven strategies. Step 7 in the first step in this phase is paid advertising. And that's how you quickly create a flood of prospective customers using paid advertising, but not wasting your marketing dollars and putting those dollars in the wrong place. The 8th step is content marketing. And this is where we generate qualified prospects using proven organic marketing strategies without having to pay for ads. The last and final step of the entire process is retargeting. And this is where we increase the ad campaigns that we've done and the return on those investments that we've made for pennies on the dollar using proven and effective retargeting techniques. Again, here's the overview, and you can see these 3 phases. There's the plan, as we talked about. There's the optimize, which is the marketing funnel in the middle. And then there's scaling the business at the top. And that's where you do paid advertising, content marketing, and retargeting to make your business grow and grow consistently. Make sure you can download all of these cheat sheets that I showed you today in a full page form so you can refer to them as you need to as you're growing your business. I found that helpful, and I hope you'll download the cheat sheets to have a reference tool. And make sure to watch the next video where I'm going to show you how to stay motivated and really driven towards being successful as an affiliate marketer. And don't forget to subscribe if you like this channel. We'd love to make sure and ring the bell so we'll make sure you know about any future videos that we do to help affiliate marketers, particularly those that are new or stuck and in a place where they need to grow and expand rapidly. Thanks for joining me.